If you're running a construction company or working as a general contractor, chances are you're still managing projects with spreadsheets, and now you're considering tools like Procore, Buildertrend, or Builder. But you've seen the pricing. Procore can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 per year. Buildertrend has similar pricing, without even being transparent on their website, and Builder starts at $250 for just 2 users. That's where this changes. What you're looking at is a Procore-level construction management system built on Monday.com at a fraction of the cost. Monday.com is a flexible project management platform that can be fully customized based on your needs. We've built a complete construction operating system designed specifically for owners and general contractors. We have built bidding, master project dashboard, master project subcontractor database, and then individual projects inside our operating system. If you have multiple projects, you can manage each with a folder like this. Inside each project folder, you have project dashboard, activity log, project information, permits and approval, budgets, RFIs, submittal drawing, inventory tracker, schedule of tasks, and invoices. Now I'll walk you through how each one works. First, this is the bidding and estimate module. This is built from a construction owner or general contractor perspective. Since you're bidding for different projects to win work or to build construction projects like hotels and buildings. Here you have project, client name, email, phone number, location, estimator statuses, estimated square feet, takeoff data, estimated revenue, total cost without markup, and cost with markup. We have sub-items for estimation. Once you have a project, you can estimate right here with quantity, unit cost, and waste. The formula calculates everything and determines the item cost subtotal. Then you add the markup and get the total cost. Once you have the total cost of the project, this total cost reflects here, total cost with markup. Once you have the total cost with markup, we have DocuGen integrated. When you click Generate Bid, it creates the bid automatically, pulling data from the system. You can send the bid to the client via email. Once they sign, the status changes to signed, not signed, or declined. After completing the signing, the signed document is added here. This is your complete document bidding management system. You have different views including Kanban view. You can see to do, preparing documents, different stages of the bidding, all bidding documents, takeoff documents, and other documents. There is also SOP to show how to use this. This is the master project dashboard containing data from all your projects. Currently, we have 3 projects. You can see total estimated revenue, actual cost, profit and loss, project budget, and profit margin across all of your projects. Here you can see profit analysis for each project. For example, Sunset Industrial shows actual estimated revenue, actual cost, and profit loss. From one single place, you can view profit, loss, and revenue for each project. You can also see the status of RFIs, drawings, submittals. Additional data includes estimated cost to budget variance, cost variance, and schedule of task, showing which phase each project is in. For instance, 2 projects are in construction phase and 1 is in pre-construction phase. Cost analysis is available here. More information includes project location, timeline, scope, and bid status. This is master project information where you can see details of all projects, project ID, client owner, project stage. This one is in the pre-construction stage. This is in the construction stage. You can view all master project data from one single place. You can filter by status, find project finance by timeline, and view project health. This is the Subcontractor Database where you manage all subcontractors grouped by their specialty, general contractor, electrical, HVAC, and others. You can link them to projects they're working on, see which subcontractor is assigned to which project, and manage everything from here. You can rate each contractor to know which ones are performing well. If they're performing poorly, you can exclude them from future projects. There's a form for subcontractor registration. When you receive an application from a new contractor, you send this form. They fill it out and submit it back. Their information is stored here for you to manage and sort. Now we come to individual projects. For individual projects, we have folders containing each project like Sunset Ridge Apartments. If you have more projects, you'll have more folders. Inside each project, the main dashboard shows estimated revenue, actual cost, profit, profit margin, project budget, budget variance, and more. Here we have profit analysis, estimated cost, actual cost, and profit. Cost analysis shows budgeted cost, estimated cost, actual cost, and cost variance. You can see the schedule of tasks and the stage of each task. Project progress overview, including RFI progress, schedule and task progress, invoices. All progress tracking is available here. Additional dashboard KPIs help you manage the project effectively. The activity log shows all activities occurring in your project. Comments made, photos uploaded, status changes. Everything changing in the project is visible from one single dashboard. project information contains all project details: project phase, progress, status, timeline, days spent, and remaining days. The project documents section stores all documents for the project. You can edit project information here. There's also an SOP for managing project details. Permits and approval is where you manage your approval workflows. The permits and approval workflow board shows authority, application date, status, and required files. This is where you manage your budget. You have different budget items: permit and fees, utilities, labor, materials. Budget categories are listed here along with baseline budget, committed cost, SOV, material cost, and material cost to complete. You can see whether each item is within budget or not. RFI, submittal, and drawing management is handled from one single place. You can manage RFIs, drawings, and submittals here. Each entry shows the document, responsible party, asset reviewer, dependencies, project phase, and all associated documents. You can view all drawings in one place, both visually and in table format. The inventory tracker monitors your inventory, equipment, and everything else. If you need to order something, track it here. You can see inventory type. We have different categories. Status options include sufficient, in use, needs maintenance, needs to order, order shipped, and restore. Everything is tracked here with pricing included, so you know the cost of each inventory item. You can see what needs to be ordered and use this as an order management system for inventory and equipment. Schedule and task, the most important module, is where you manage your project schedule and tasks. It has different phases: pre-construction, site work, foundation, structure, envelope, MEP. You can customize these phases your own way and group tasks accordingly. Pre-construction tasks are shown here. You can see task ID, assign subcontractor, and add more subcontractors as needed. Task duration, dependencies on previous tasks, days spent, remaining days based on timeline, all are tracked. Time tracking is available. You can mark tasks as critical, update status, and view location, progress, and associated costs. The Gantt chart displays the project in a timeline view. You can move items, extend dates, or shift the entire project. Additional views are available here, including a budget view for this project in one place. SOP documentation shows how processes work. Invoices is where you manage all invoicing. When you pay labor, contractors, or subcontractors, it's tracked here. There's a form for submitting invoices. Once submitted, invoices appear here. You can also submit invoices directly as an account manager. Invoice status options include submitted, reviewed, approved, paid, or rejected. You can view invoice amount, amount paid, remaining balance, linked vendor or subcontractor, deductions, supporting materials, and notes. Everything you need from Procore, Builder, or Buildertrend can be accomplished with our Monday system. We have tender management, estimation, project management, quality and safety, resource tracking for inventory, and finances. If you need integrations with other custom software, you can do that too. The advantage of this system is its flexibility and cost. The problem with Procore, Buildertrend, or Builder is that they're locked systems. You can't change most features. This platform is highly flexible. You can tweak anything, add more columns, add more boards, customize it, and add different integrations or automation. It's fully customizable to your needs. We also provide custom project implementations. That's how this Monday construction operating system helps systemize entire construction projects and businesses. If you want to check it out, there's a link below. If you have any feedback, let us know. We'll take it from there. Let's make your systems work for you, not the other way around. And thank you for watching.